Dahil sa lahat ng nangyayari, dahil sa gera, ang peso ay humihina against the dollar. Pero kung pag-aaralan mo, the peso against the yuan, the peso against the yen, the peso against the British pound, makikita mo, medyo stabilized. So, what can we do about it? On the bright side, marami tayong OFW dito sa Ilocos. So, ang remittances na pinapadala nila na dollar value ay mas mataas. So, the remittances are worth more. On the other hand, alam naman natin, tayo ay net importer. So, temporarily, the prices of goods will be more expensive. It's partly to do with Russia and Ukraine. Another explanation about it, I don't want to get too into it, pero nung pandemya, the Fed, the US government, nag-print sila ng US dollar.